What if your next ride could fly, tackle any terrain, or drive itself, all while being eco-friendly? The future of transportation is here, and it's evolving faster than ever, with China leading the charge and leaving the US in awe. From electric flying cars to off-road hybrids, these new vehicles are breaking boundaries. Ready to explore? Let's go. Number 7. Haval Raptor. Kicking off the list is the Haval Raptor, also known as the Menglong. This is a compact SUV from Great Wall Motors' Haval brand, blending off-road capability with modern hybrid technology. Launched on October 10, 2023, the plug-in hybrid powertrain features a 1.5-liter turbocharged gasoline engine paired with 2 electric motors, delivering a total power output of 373 to 378 horsepower and up to 553 pound-feet of torque. The SUV reaches a top speed of 118 miles per hour and boasts off-road capabilities, including 7.9 inches of ground clearance and a fording depth of 22 inches. Its rugged design features roof luggage racks, a rear-mounted spare tire, and an aggressive front grille with round headlights. Inside, it seats 5 passengers and includes a touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with advanced safety features such as multiple airbags and electronic stability control. Positioned as a competitive option in the compact SUV segment, the Haval Raptor caters to consumers seeking both off-road versatility and eco-friendly hybrid technology, strengthening Haval's presence in China's evolving electric vehicle market. Following the versatility of the Haval Raptor, let's dive into something uniquely designed for tight urban spaces. Number 6. Roid Kanguro. The Roid Kanguro is a futuristic mobility solution that blends compact design, advanced technology, and exceptional maneuverability, making it ideal for urban transportation. Designed for both personal and commercial use, it features cutting-edge smart technologies that enhance connectivity, safety, and user convenience. One of its standout capabilities is the tank turn, enabling a full 360-degree spin for superior maneuverability in tight spaces, making it highly effective in crowded environments. As part of China's push toward innovative transportation, the Kanguro aligns with the global trend of electric and autonomous vehicles, positioning itself as a forward-thinking solution for modern mobility needs. But wonder what makes the Roid Kanguro extra special? It can seamlessly switch from a personal assistant robot to a scooter-like vehicle, helping you carry items and then zooming off for faster transport. Number 5. NIO ET9. The NIO ET9 is a high-end luxury electric sedan introduced by the Chinese automaker NIO, designed to rival premium brands like Mercedes-Benz and Porsche. Unveiled in early 2025, the ET9 is available for pre-order with deliveries expected in the first quarter of the year. Priced at around $112,000, it features a sleek, coupe-style fastback design with a closed front grille, LED double-dash DRL lights, hidden door handles, frameless windows, an active retractable rear spoiler, and large 23-inch wheels with non-rotating NIO logo caps. Powered by a dual-motor setup, it delivers a combined output of 697 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, accelerating from 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds, with a top speed of 140 miles per hour speed capped at 124 miles per hour. Inside, the ET9 offers 4 premium seats with heating and massage functions, a 15.6-inch central touchscreen, and 2 14.5-inch rear screens. Built on a 900-volt architecture for enhanced efficiency, it features an intelligent wire-controlled chassis and an in-house developed self-driving chip. Safety is a priority with a high-strength body structure, 9 airbags, and real-time electric drive diagnostics, making the ET9 a significant step forward in luxury electric mobility. Now that we've explored the compact agility of the Roid Kanguro, Let's shift gears to something that combines the latest technology for the public good. Number 4. Robotaxi. China is emerging as a global leader in the robotaxi industry, with major companies like Baidu Apollo, Pony.ai, Didi Chuxing, AutoX, and WeRide driving rapid expansion and technological advancements. Baidu plans to expand its Apollo Go service to 65 cities by 2025, having already logged over 15.5 million miles of test driving. Pony.ai aims to scale its fleet from around 250 to over 1,000 vehicles by 2025 and is exploring international markets, including robotaxi services at Hong Kong International Airport. Didi Chuxing is also a key player, operating hundreds of autonomous taxis across multiple cities. China's regulatory framework, implemented in December 2023, allows commercial robo-taxi operations with a strict remote operator-to-vehicle ratio of 3:1, ensuring safety and oversight. But what if we told you that by 2040, China is set to lead the world with 12 million autonomous vehicles, which is almost double the 7 million projected in the US? Thanks to rapid AI advancements and plummeting hardware costs, this future is fast becoming a reality. Now that we've learned about the advancements of robo-taxi services, let's take a look at another game changer, but this time it's reshaping urban air travel. Number 3. EHang EH216-S. The EHang EH216-S is an all-electric autonomous aerial vehicle designed to transform urban air mobility and passenger transport. Developed by the Chinese company EHang, this innovative multicopter aims to revolutionize air travel with an eco-friendly and safe solution for navigating cityscapes. Capable of carrying 2 passengers, the EH216-S is powered by 16 electric motors, each driving its own propeller, allowing for autonomous operation with no pilot required. It offers a cruise speed of 62 miles per hour and a top speed of 81 miles per hour, covering up to 22 miles on a single charge with a flight time of about 21 minutes. The vehicle has a maximum altitude of 9,843 feet and can carry a payload of up to 485 pounds, with some reports suggesting it can handle up to 573 pounds. Built with a carbon fiber composite fuselage, gull-wing doors, and fixed skid landing gear, the EH216-S weighs approximately 794 pounds and measures 18.5 feet in length and 5.8 feet in height. With a fast charging time of just 2 hours, this vehicle is ideal for short urban commutes. The EH216-S is equipped with multiple safety features, including redundant propulsion systems and intelligent command and control technology to manage multiple vehicles. In 2023, it became the first electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft to receive both the Type Certificate and Standard Airworthiness Certificate from China's Civil Aviation Administration, marking a significant milestone in the development of autonomous electric air transport. As the EHang EH216-S soars through the skies, the next one on the list brings a new level of excitement to ground transportation. Number 2. InMotion V14. The InMotion V14 Adventure is a high-performance electric unicycle designed for both city commuting and off-road exploration. It features a powerful 4,000-watt motor with a peak output of 9,000 watts and 200 newton-meters of torque, enabling it to tackle inclines up to 50 degrees and reach speeds of up to 43 miles per hour. Its 2,400 watt-hour battery offers a range of up to 75 miles on a single charge, with a standard charging time of about 7 hours or just 1 hour with a fast charger. Weighing approximately 86 pounds, it supports riders up to 308 pounds. The V14 is equipped with an industry-first progressive suspension system with 3.3 inches of travel for enhanced stability and comfort. Designed for durability, it has an IPX6 water-resistant wheel and an IPX7 rated battery, along with safety features such as alarms and tilt-back warnings. A smart battery management system prevents overcharging and short circuits, while powerful headlights and car-grade taillights improve nighttime visibility. The unicycle is supported by a mobile app for real-time monitoring, ride customization, and firmware updates, making it a top choice in the electric unicycle market. But have you wondered how the V14 electric unicycle delivers such a smooth ride on all terrains? All thanks to its custom progressive shock suspension system. With a stiffness that starts at 600 pounds per inch and increases to 970 pounds per inch, it offers unmatched handling and comfort. Number 1. Wang U8. On top of our list is the Wang U8. This is a full-size luxury SUV from BYD Auto's premium Wang sub-brand, made its debut in January 2023, blending advanced electric technology with impressive off-road capabilities. Unveiled at the Shanghai Auto Show in April 2023, this powerhouse quickly made waves, becoming China's most expensive mass-produced electric vehicle, priced at $149,000. By October, it had already attracted around 4,000 orders. Powered by a plug-in hybrid system, the U8 combines a 2.0-liter turbocharged gasoline engine with a 49.05 kilowatt-hour battery, feeding 4 electric motors that churn out an astounding 1,180 horsepower and 944 pound-feet of torque. With this robust powertrain, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.6 seconds and boasts an impressive range of up to 621 miles. The design is rugged yet refined, with a pixelated grille, squared wheel arches, and a spare wheel mounted on the tailgate. Inside, the U8 is a tech lover's dream, featuring multiple screens, an augmented reality head-up display, and even a built-in fridge. As BYD prepares to expand internationally, including to markets like the US and Australia, the Wang U8 signifies a bold leap into the high-end electric SUV market. So China has truly created a new generation of transport that's taking the world by storm, with innovations that are not only redefining the future of mobility, but also leaving the US in awe. But the real question is, how soon will these revolutionary vehicles be in our hands? One thing's for sure, the future is already here, and it's moving faster than ever. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve and catch all the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe and join us on this exciting journey into the future of travel.